Hey going guys, welcome back to another video. Sorry it's been such a long time that I've made a video, and I've just been absolutely busy, and here is kind of why I've been busy, and as well as other things which I'll get into, but here is the new shed. This will be mine and two of my other mates and his dad. We're all going to be working out of the shop. And yeah, it's such a dream to have a place like this and to share it with my mates and just to make it what we want it to be, with like working on cars, and I can finally start making content, which has been a bit of a pain lately because I haven't had anywhere to do it, because I've bought a house, I've been renovating the house, and this has taken up so much of my time. And therefore I hadn't had space to work on the car. So now I will show you the space in the shop that we just moved into. So in this shop together with me would be Liam and Dane. If you've watched my Matsuri video, you'll know that they come to Matsuri with me. Dane owns a Supra, Liam owns a 31, and we've always wanted just a bigger space and everything to work on our cars. Liam already had a shed previously, which is like down the road with his dad, and so collectively we're like, we'll get a bigger space, we'll put money into getting a bigger space, and yeah. So Dane's in it with us as well as Liam's dad, and myself with the Chaser. So we're still kind of working out layouts and really positioning, because we already have a hoist ready to go up, so there's going to be a hoist going where the Chaser is and possibly one going there. Then obviously having that entryway free, and this actually has three big kind of barn door style doors. So like that one slides that way, that one also slides that way, and this one slides that way. Opens that whole area up, which is actually really good. But we're going to keep this area free, hoists, and this is Liam's dad Chris's side of the shed. And these ones is going to be where we can have a car there and a car there, because I'm planning on pulling apart my car soon, and I'm doing like a whole heap of work to it, which is going to be more content, and this is what which I'm finally been trying to do to it, and I now have the space to, and yeah, so. And as we come through here, this is just more storage. We've got shelving and stuff to put up. We've only really roughly moved in, so there's still a lot of sorting out to do with this whole area. And here's the kind of the workshop area where the tools, benches, And yeah, I love this area, and that door slides across as well. But yeah, for all our tools and workbenches and stuff being all in this one area, I love that. It's just keeps the space out of the rest of the workshop where it won't clutter it or really anything. And the bench space is sweet, but I'll try to get more benches and stuff and get everything sorted later on. But yeah. So yeah, I got my toolboxes, which have been sitting at my parents' place for ages. Haven't had time to really clean it up, but obviously welders and more tools and all that. So it's such a dream spot to have. It's awesome. And yeah, 2 hoists there. Everything is 3-phase, so we can run hoists and everything. And outside, there's a place to connect air. So the whole area has air run through it, like full air system. And but yeah, I'll take you upstairs. There's not really too much up there besides the previous tenants of this place like had bedrooms up there because they had people like coming and going out of town and had somewhere to stay. So, but it's good up here. It's there is a second bathroom. There's like a bathroom, a hot water system. Turn the light on. So you come through here, it's just random bedrooms, but hot water system. We have a shower and a toilet. But yeah, and I've also started collecting Nabori flags. I've always wanted to do this. Like, I want to have the whole wall just covered in like Nabori flags, just to brighten up the place. It's just to make it more. I want to have it like more of a Japanese or like Japanese inspired style shed with like Nabori flags and just make it more like appealing and nice to look at. Nice place to be in as well as to match the cars that are in it. But yeah. And we've named this place Tsukiza, like Tsukiza Garage. It's kind of like the name we've given it because there's like an Australian word for skid car is like skiza. And skiza in Japan and Japanese is Tsukiza, so pretty much named it that. It's not a bad name, so just pretty much gonna run with that. But yeah, I'll show you. This is Chris's Ford Falcon that he's doing like a restoration on. It's a very long-term project, but this is something for him to tinker on. Then obviously you've probably seen Liam's Skyline R31, RB30. He'll also be redoing this car, so he'll get rid of that livery, like a joke livery, and just put it all one color, have it nice wheels. This is Dane's Celica Supra, which you've probably seen in the Matsuri video as well. This is an NA 2JZ on Longchamps, like pretty cool car. Like, yeah, it's pretty sick. Then right over here as well, I forgot to mention, we'll have like cleaning table and like this is a sandblaster, and I want to kind of have some more other cleaning related components like cleaning related machines and stuff. Then out here is more storage. This is Dane's 90 Spec 180. I love this car, just how it is, it's awesome. This is Liam's other project. It's a RB25 and a S13. It's Dane's Land Cruiser, but if you want, we can leave a comment if you want me to really include the other builds that are happening here. Like, as well as the Chaser, like I've got heaps of stuff to do coming up on that. But like, if you want me to include Liam's and Dane's cars, like, I'll happily do that. Like, I can get them on the channel and see if like they can do progress on their builds if you're interested. As well as the stuff I'll be doing for the Chaser, which I'm really keen to start diving into this because I went into a drift event. I didn't even film it. I should have filmed, but I was that strapped for time with the whole moving houses and stuff. I didn't have enough time to get all the film stuff together, and I was like, stuff it, I'll go, just be quick, then back to doing house stuff. But I found a lot of stuff wrong with this car. Just everything's loose in the rear end, so I'm just like, stuff it. I'll pull it all apart again, the old subframes out of it, strengthen them, put on new bolts in the rear end, paint the subframes, and do all that. So then underneath the car, I'll get the same treatment as I did with the engine and all the exterior, so it all will match. But that's something to look forward to with that car. This is just like a quick video and just like telling you like what's happened with the whole, like why I haven't been active on YouTube and stuff. I've just been that busy, I couldn't really make any videos like I wanted to, and now I can start making videos with everyone here and it'd just be awesome. Like it's something I've always wanted since I even started doing this YouTube stuff, which is, but even before this, I've always just wanted this space where I can just work on my car and just do whatever, not be restrained by having it at my house or whatnot, because there's honestly just no room for it. But yeah, stay tuned for everything that's to come with this place. I'll do heaps of like update videos and stuff we're doing to the place. I'll include it in videos as well, which is more content, and as well as doing the whole the driveline or under chassis work of the Chaser. But yeah, thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more videos that are going to come. There's going to be heaps more coming, and yeah, thank you for staying by, and whoever's still watching my videos. And no, it's only been like 6 months. I can't remember the last time I uploaded, to be honest, but there's going to be more regular videos, and yeah, stay tuned. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next videos. Cheers.